My name is Mireia and I'm 14 years old.
I'm Natalia and I'm 14 years old.
I'm Julian, I am 14 years old.
I'm Ivan, I'm 16 years old.
I'm Amin and I'm 14 years
come from Spain.
I like swimming and I hate movies.
I like football and I like meet with my friends.
I love playing football because I have played football for all my life.
I love playing football and I meet friends.
I love playing football, but I hate stay at home all time.
We are in third professor in the ES Alcalá High School.
We have been to France, Ireland and Italy before.
I hope to learn about German culture and meet new friends.
We think these experiences are good for all of us because we meet new friends and know about other cultures.
This is all about us.
Thanks.
Thank you.